so.
got two things here. A beef. Oh, this is the chicken one. Oh, it's like something sweet and sour. Oh. That's actually quite nice. It's actually quite nice. It's not too hot like the last thing we had. It's not too hot. It's quite sweet actually. You want to try this?
How
really
much
nice.
it cost?
The chicken one was 25 baht and the beef one was 30 baht, which is
It's
I can't
cheap
even-
for this place.
yeah. We are at
In Bangkok, it was much more expensive.
way more. And we are a little bit further out of Pattaya city, so it's like
It's cool. Yeah.
no. I'm having all of this.
Hey.
I'm joking. Did you eat it? Oh, it was salty. It was.
It's nice one.
Yeah. Hey, you're having quite a lot of that, you know.
What?
You're having quite a lot of that. There's not much left, you know. Like there's not much left.
You had a lot.
It's alright. I thought we were sharing, but it's cool. It's cool. I'm joking. Finish it. My mouth's still spicy from the other food. So you enjoy that. I don't need to eat that. To be honest, you finish that,
Oh,
and I'm gonna start on this. Ooh. Okay. I'm going in. There's quite a lot of beef in that. So I'm gonna have this big.
Enjoy. I have pineapple. You know the last one is pineapple.
Yeah. I won't be eating that though. You know me, I don't like cooked fruit.
Let's go.
I don't like this is good as well. I'm trying to figure out what kind of hot sweet sauce it is. I'm not sure what sweet sauce is. Hello. No, thank you. Takun crab, no thank you. I'm gonna get some of this with the onion, but I'm pretty sure that's jalapeno.
Uh-oh. Fucking
I'm
hell.
pretty sure that's jalapeno. 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 I'm gonna try the beef and the onion and the jalapeno. Ready?
The jalapeno is cool. I'm having it. It's cool. Don't tell me you're crying because I can't believe that.
I don't think it's jalapeno, you know.
Can I
it's just
try
pepper.
yours?
I think it's just pepper.
Okay, it's cool.
It's nice. It's like
pineapple.
you can eat that. You can finish it. Finish it. Enjoy yourself. It's 30 baht. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.